To get the most out of your Vicks Mini Filter-Free Cool Mist Humidifier, follow these helpful steps. Make sure your humidifier is on a firm, level, water-resistant surface at least 12 inches from the wall. To fill the water tank, remove the tank from its base using the handle. Turn the arrow towards the open lock symbol to remove the cap and fill the tank with cool water. Make sure that the black cap seal is on and secure the cap by twisting it firmly into the lock position. Set the tank back on the base. Be sure your humidifier is turned off before plugging it in. Then turn the power knob to the highest setting and let it run until a comfortable humidity level has been reached. Once reached, turn the control knob to a lower setting. Your ideal humidity level should be between 40 and 60%. Be sure to direct the mist output away from any walls, furniture, or bedding. To use Vicks VapoPads, open the scent pad door. Insert the VapoPad and then shut the door for hours of soothing menthol vapors. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit VicksHumidifiers.com.